Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini, for your general energies, career situation and relationship. We are picking these cards. So these are for your general energies, Gemini. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading, Gemini. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. She is a very good intuitive reader, so you can contact her. I'll be sharing her link in the description below, Gemini. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So we have Ace of Spheres, Six of Spheres and Page of Suns in reverse. So Gemini, in your circumstances today, in your work maybe or in your relationship, you are really happy with the way things are going. Maybe in your work you are seeing new opportunities and you are happy for that. And you are feeling that circumstances are going in a very favorable way, something really lucky for you, and you feel really grateful for the way things are. Maybe in your life today, happy to be with this person, happy for having found this person. So some kind of happiness, contentment, emotional satisfaction is what I see with these cards. And Gemini, today this person you love, maybe they are in a good position today, they are doing extremely well in their career and they want to gift you or take you for a holiday. So they want to spend on you. Maybe they are thinking of gifts or they are thinking of a trip. So something good is coming here. But this person is changing. This person, you may love them, you may have a level of understanding with this person, but with better opportunities. This person is changing. Maybe their dreams are becoming huge now. They may have huge expectations and they are not that simple person just like before. So in this connection, maybe this may be a reason for some troubles. Maybe you need to be really if you want a better relationship, it should not be based on your success in career. It should be a heart-to-heart communication, a heart-to-heart relationship. So maybe this person's success is really taking over their head, their thinking, and maybe for some of you, they are changing and it may be something some sort of a bad thing here for your relationship. So we will see what is the card for your relationship first. We picked one card. It's Initiate of Moons in reverse. So with this card in your relationship, this may be what this person feels or what you feel towards them. Maybe they are being controlled by someone. So maybe they are someone good, but they have a lot of bad influences That may be the reason they feel this way, or they are doing things in a bad way, and they are trying to break away from this person, but this person is someone who is trying to dominate them, trying to trick them into something. So, Gemini, this may be your energy or your person's energy. So, if this is your case, if you feel that someone is influencing you in a bad way, maybe against this love, or maybe someone trying to change your dreams or dominate your actions, you must be really careful. So, let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have Ace of Moons. So, in your work circumstances, there may be some offers, opportunities coming today, a new beginning, or some kind of a good news, maybe regarding some projects or some agreements, whatever it is, something that is going to make your business flourish or make your work a successful one. So that is the reading here with these cards for y'all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is this card for those who chose this card. It says Orphaned. So in your circumstances today, in your relationship, you are in a situation where you feel that you are unable to fit in. You don't have that sense of belonging in this relationship. Some kind of uncertainty is there today in this connection. And the reasons may be because we are all unique beings and we are all evolving spiritually and emotionally. So we are committed to our own growth. And when we long for people to support us in this difficult path, we may be disappointed or even hurt by the people who are with us, because the way they are, maybe their actions or their words, they may not understand what we are going through, because each and every one of us are in different stages of personal growth. Maybe this person is at another stage and we are at another stage, and we are in this relationship, maybe we are in a new connection where we do not share the same visions, share our values and beliefs, and each of us may have different values and beliefs. That may be the reason we do not feel so close with this person. That sense of belonging may not be there. So you need to accept things as it is today, whatever is happening, and you can be you can rest assured that spirit or that higher power or God, whatever you call it, will steer you in the direction of people who will appreciate you for whatever you are, without any artifice, without any agenda. So you don't have to compromise anything to be in this relationship just for that sense of belonging, because it won't be worth the price. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we will see what it is. Vasila the Brave. And with this card, for those who chose this card, you are going through a difficult circumstance, but you need not worry. You are going to come out of this situation much wiser, much stronger than before, and you will pass any test that you have been put through today. And maybe in your life you have someone close to you. It may be a family member, it may be your mother or a sibling, a woman maybe for some of you. And this person is your strength, this person is your guiding light. And maybe for some of you, you have a very strong parent, you have that strong motherly love, you have experienced that in your life, and this love and knowledge is guiding you each and every day. And maybe in your heart of hearts, when you are making some important choices, you may hear a very calm voice telling you what you need to do. That is your intuition. You must listen to it. So you have a very a sensitive spirit, something telling you what to do, and it may be a wisdom that has been passed on from your parents or from your grandmother, someone who was very close to you. And in any situation, whatever difficulties you are seeing, if you listen to this voice, you are going to make the right decision, the right choice today. And you need to understand that there may be a time of separation from family members or friends, but you need to do your best. You need to try and do whatever needs to be done. Do not lose heart in this circumstance. And from this darkness, you are going to move towards a greatest light in your life, and you are going to face all your fears with courage and knowledge and wisdom. And there is a time of a new beginning coming in your life. So circumstances are definitely changing. All you need to do is face your situation with strength and determination, courage, and listen to your intuition that is going to guide you all the way through. So that is the energy here with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.